AI analyze my credit card statement and maybe a bank statement and get some feedback on that.
Yeah.
And I think, it's pretty interesting. So right before the show, I uploaded one of my credit card statements, which is kind of interesting.
Scary.
And I said, analyze this credit card statement. Tell me what I'm spending the most money on, what may be a waste of money or something I'm paying for that I'm not aware of. Because, there's services that'll go out and find subscriptions that you forgot about, and I put everything on a credit card. Every bill, every expense I can possibly put on the credit card, I do it. Yeah. One of the things is interesting. Travel and dining very high this month, Dave, because I went on vacation.
Yeah, I was just going to say you were. Yes, I know. I've seen this pattern. All of a sudden, I was like,
before. Wait a minute, and because I'm looking at the restaurants, I'm like, oh, I was gone. We were out of the country. But the other high one that I'm not surprised, but I'm going to dig in deeper, was business tools and SaaS, software as a service.
Oh, subscriptions.
$1,143, Dave. Seems like a lot.
Every month.
Yes, every month is mine. So, and it lists this: Kajabi, Slack, Zoom, Loom, G Suite, Remote Lock, which controls our vacation rentals. Paddle for my Hype Fury. We had the Paddle. Didn't we have Paddle guy on years ago?
I think so.
We did. We had one of the founders of Paddle on the show.
Yeah.
Eversight is in the list too, because
of course,
of course, I pay. Very important.
Well, that's $399 of your 1,100 right there. Yeah.
Crucial because they run all my online, exposure. And then FreshBooks, which I just canceled because I created that app in Replit. But so next month FreshBooks will be gone, but Replit will be here. So pretty interesting. But it lists out, it even breaks out all my Amazon purchases. I spent $685 on Amazon last month.
Yeah, not surprising.
Interesting.